It has 3 hearts, blue blood, 9 brains. It can see colors, despite being completely colorblind. It can open a jar, solve a maze, and recognize a human face. It is not a mammal. It is not a bird. It is not even close to us on the tree of life. And yet, scientists now believe it may be one of the most intelligent creatures that has ever existed on this planet. This is the octopus, and we are only just beginning to understand it.
The octopus has been on Earth for approximately 300 million years. To put that in perspective, dinosaurs appeared roughly 230 million years ago. Humans, just 300,000 years ago. The octopus was already ancient when the first dinosaur took its first step. Its earliest ancestor, Polsepia mazonensis, was discovered fossilized in Illinois, a creature barely 5 centimeters long, already bearing the 8 arms and body structure we recognize today. In 300 million years, the octopus has barely needed to change. Evolution, it seems, got it right the first time. The octopus has 9 brains. 1 central brain, located in its head, and 8 more, 1 in each arm. This is not a metaphor. Each arm contains roughly 40 million neurons, giving it the ability to taste, touch, grip, and make decisions completely independently of the central brain. When an octopus reaches into a crevice to find food, the arm explores on its own. It does not wait for instructions. It thinks. Scientists at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem discovered that octopus arms can continue to react and respond even after being severed from the body, for up to an hour. The arm alone still knows what to do. For the octopus, intelligence is not centralized. It is distributed, spread across every limb, woven into the body itself.
All right.
There we go.
Oh, hey, big fella.
Perhaps no ability is more astonishing than the octopus's mastery of disguise. In less than 1 second, it can change the color, texture, and pattern of its entire skin, mimicking rocks, coral, algae, and even other animals with breathtaking precision.
I can see it ripple.
Oh, that's great.
That whole mantle there. Wow. Oh, this is great.
Wow.
Oh, there we go.
Oh
Oh my
that's
gosh,
so
he's
nice.
posing.
That's
This is great.
so yeah, he's a show off.
This is controlled
Oh,
by
man.
specialized cells called chromatophores, tiny elastic sacs of pigment that the octopus expands and contracts at will. Beneath those sit iridophores, cells that reflect light like living mirrors, producing iridescent blues, greens, and golds. And beneath those, papillae, microscopic muscles that can transform smooth skin into jagged, textured spikes in milliseconds. 3 layers of biological engineering.
All right, we've only got another 30 seconds or so, unfortunately.
That's
Okay.
okay. I'll take every
Understandable.
second I can
Yeah,
get
we'll
with
still
this
take
guy.
it.
All working simultaneously, all controlled by a brain the size of a walnut. What makes this even more remarkable, octopuses are almost certainly colorblind. They see the world in a single color channel, and yet their camouflage is flawless. How they match colors they cannot see remains one of the great unsolved mysteries in biology. In controlled laboratory experiments, octopuses have demonstrated capabilities that scientists did not expect to find outside of vertebrates. They open child-proof containers. They navigate mazes they have never seen before. They remember specific human faces and have been documented behaving differently toward researchers they like versus those they do not. At the Seattle Aquarium, one octopus repeatedly directed a jet of water at a particular staff member it found irritating. Every time that person walked past, no other staff member received the same treatment. It had formed an opinion, and it acted on it. At the University of Otago in New Zealand, researchers discovered octopuses engage in play behavior, repeatedly releasing objects into a water current and catching them again. No food reward, no training, simply the apparent enjoyment of the activity. Play in the animal kingdom is considered a marker of complex cognition. We once thought it belonged only to mammals and birds. The octopus disagrees.
The octopus does not have red blood. It has blue blood. This is because instead of iron-based hemoglobin, which gives our blood its red color, octopuses use copper-based hemocyanin to carry oxygen through the body. In cold, low-oxygen environments like the deep ocean, hemocyanin is actually more efficient than hemoglobin. It is a biological adaptation perfectly matched to the environment. To pump this blood, the octopus has 3 hearts. 2 branchial hearts push blood through the gills. 1 systemic heart pumps it to the rest of the body. However, the systemic heart stops beating when the octopus swims. This is why octopuses prefer to crawl rather than swim. Swimming for them is the equivalent of sprinting, exhausting, and done only when necessary. 3 hearts, and still it tires easily. Biology, even at its most extraordinary, always involves a trade-off.